What's up, my oh so beautiful people? Today, I'm going to be showing you some of my gold coins that I picked up. If you saw my last video, I participated in the 100-ounce silver coin challenge with some of the YouTubers with gold stacking and silver stacking. So I wanted to show you some of my gold coins that I also have that I recently picked up. And we're going to go over the spot price. We're going to go over, what we have here on the table here. 1 ounces and half ounces is what I bought. And just some of my predictions of the precious gold metal market as well as the currency market that we're experiencing right now. So let's just get into it. So on Friday, gold was down about 2.25%. And that's for 1 ounce, the spot price for 1 ounce. And there's 3 different prices here. It varies between the different dealers and holders, but spot prices moving every day. So on CNBC, we have $1,688.60. On APMEX, we have $1,697.60. And on Kitco, we have $1,685. Now, these are the dealers and these are the stats that I look at. I know there's many others on the market, but APMEX, I order from them regularly. CNBC, I just tune into CNBC every single day just to check on the markets and see what the latest news is. And with Kitco, I love their YouTube channel and I love some of their analytics on gold and silver and other precious metals. So these are the 3 resources that I use. I know there's many others out there. So let's look at this 1 ounce coin first. So this coin here is the 1 ounce film harmonics. Look at this. Beautiful coin. And I know some of the YouTubers is like, wear your gloves. I'm sorry, I don't have any gloves yet. But here's a fun fact. Growing up, I actually played the viola for 12 years. So it's kind of cool seeing some of the musical instruments here in the front. Philharmonics. Cool. So this is a 1 ounce coin, 1 ounce gold coin here. And if you look on APMEX, the 1 ounce coins currently, the day of this recording, is going for $1,817.59. And that's for an American Eagle, the year 2020. And then for a random year for American Eagle 1 ounce coin, it is $1,800.59. So you're paying like, $20 difference between the two. And then on Kitco, they're actually out of stock. And that's what's been going on lately. A lot of people have been trying to get precious metals, and a lot of dealers have been out of stock. So if you can find some and you're into precious metals, pick it up. Like, don't debate and don't try to, I'm going to look around, because a lot of dealers have been having the issue of getting their own hands on some gold and silver and other precious metal to sell to consumers. So make sure if you find some, pick it up. So with the Philharmonics, I have 4 1 ounce coins here. I'm going to show you one more time. I just like showing it because it's shiny and it looks really nice. This one here is a 2009. So we have the 39999.9 gold. Fine gold here. And then now we're going to move on to my other coins, which is the 1/2 ounce American Gold Eagles. Now I picked these up from APMEX here. They have the SKU number, what they are, random year. Again, I'm just starting off, so I want to make sure that I'm picking these up from official dealers. I don't have to worry about it. I do my own research. Of course, you should do your own as well to make sure they're official and, they actually won't scam you or anything. But these guys are official. Look at that. I thought it would be cool to get a 1/2 ounce just to switch up the sizes. I see a lot of different precious metal YouTubers and and such with different sizes, all shapes and sizes, but I wanted to get the American Gold Eagle in 1/2 ounce. And currently on the table, I have 6 of these. So altogether, I have 3 ounces. And this is a random year. What year we have here? 2013. So on APMEX, the current price, again, the day of this recording, is $950.66 for a 2020 American Eagle, and then $946.41 for a random year. And for Kitco, they're actually out of stock. So they're out of stock in their 1 ounce, and they're out of stock in their 1/2 ounce. Now, I'm sure they have other gold on there. Make sure you go check them out. I'll drop the link in the description. They're not a sponsor, neither one of these people, but I want to provide people who watch this video with some very reliable and trusted dealers and resources so that you can, while you're doing your research, you can look at some official news and not just some random blog out there. So let me open up another one here. Maybe it's a different year. We'll see. What year we got here? Another 2013. Just such a beautiful coin. Sorry for all the precious metal YouTubers out there. I don't have any gloves on. If anyone can comment below actually and tell me, what does the gloves do? Like, is it just to prevent oil from getting into the coin? And what happens if you just touching it with your raw hand? Is it gonna I don't know, have spots on a coin or something like that? So comment below if you know why a lot of the dealers and YouTubers who deal with precious metals wear gloves when they're dealing with their coins. And please don't hate me that I'm just picking up all my coins with just my bare hands. But they're just beautiful coins. Another 2013. You get a random, you order a random year and then they just see you all one of the same year, but it's cool. So again, why do I invest in precious metals? Well, I have real estate, I have some stock, I have some cryptocurrency, I have some cash. So I'm just trying to diversify my portfolio. It's a lot going on in the world of finance and economics right now, and I'm just trying to protect my portfolio, protect my wealth, protect my assets, and investing in gold coins and precious metals is something I never did, and I just wanted to try it out and again just diversify and do other things. One person I would highly recommend, I've been following this guy for probably a year now, just really soaking in all this information and downloading everything. He's to me, a precious metal genius, and he has one of the world's #1 selling books on precious metals. His name is Mike Maloney. I'll drop his name in his YouTube page in the link below, but he breaks down precious metals and gold and why it's important and how it relates to the economy today and a few years back. It's just an amazing presentation that he do and so much great information that he provides. But again, I want to thank everybody for checking this out. I have currently 7 gold coins, so 7 ounces. Not 7 gold coins. I have actually, what was that? 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10 gold coins, but altogether I have 7 ounces. So 1, 2, 3, 4 1 ounces, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/2 ounces, which is 3 ounces in itself. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave that comment below about the gloves. I really am interested in why everyone is wearing gloves when they're touching their coins. That can help me out while I'm buying my future precious metals. And if you like this video, please check out my other videos on finance, personal finance, and just some of the stuff that I'm doing and some of the education I'm spreading, helping others to be more well with their personal finances. and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you again, and until next time, I appreciate everyone for watching.